Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In the previous three parts, we looked at date built-in functions. Now we will look at casting between types. So before doing the type conversion, here is the schema for a employee table, or I think this is a title table, schema for title table from pubs database. Here first we are listing title, price, publishing date from titles table. Here you can see the first column title and it's a varchar type. The second one is price. The data type here is money. That's what here we are picking. The third one is publisher date. And it's a date time. Here if you see, we are picking title, price is in money format, right? Then cast price as a decimal. So here the data type is money here, and we are using the cast function here. Then we specify price as decimal. So decimal 5,1. In the sense here 5.1 precision. Next we have pub date, publishing date. Then we are casting that as date. So it's already date time, but this time we are casting it as a date. Or if you need, you can cast it as a string as well. So that's the use of cast function. Alright, now we will go to the demo and see how cast function is working. So here is the sample data. This time we are picking data from titles table, and we are picking title, price, and publishing date. So you can look at the data returned by the query, title, price, and publishing date. Here if you see, we are casting the price as a decimal. From money we are casting it as decimal. Publishing date we are casting it to date. From date time we are casting it as date. So we will put publishing date here. Okay, it will be here only. So now if you look at, this is price and this one is a price casted. So the price is in money format. Since we converted this as a decimal, you can see that it is rounded. Why? Because decimal precision we are giving 1. So the result is rounded here. Right, so 1 decimal point precision. Then this is publishing date. If you see, publishing date is in a long format. That means year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and millisecond. And here we converted that, or we casted that as date. Since these are all 0, after the casting you can see only a adequate amount of that part is placed here. 12/6/1991, 0, all those stuffs are eliminated here. Why? Because this is date and time. That's why you are seeing all these 0. Here what we converted is just a date, so it doesn't include time part. So that's why you are seeing 12/6/1991. So we converted this as okay. Here if you see, the time part here is eliminated. So just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.